하루의 시작을 말 돌보기로 시작하는 제임스. 그리고 그런 모습을 지켜보는 아빠 조지와 엄마 마가렛, 그리고 예쁜 며느리와 손자까지 모두 행복한 하루를 시작하고 있었죠. 그러던 어느 날
It's too hot.
I know, I hadn't checked it yet.
Here, let you rest.
손자를 돌보던 할머니 마가렛이 혼자 집으로 돌아온 말을 발견하게 되었는데, 그런데 아들 제임스가 보이지 않았고 곧바로 아들의 말을 타고 찾으러 나가보는데, 그렇게 한참의 시간이 흘러 드디어 아들 제임스를 찾았지만 결국 숨지고 말았죠. 이 일이 있고 난 후 제임스의 아내 로나는
To be my lawfully wedded husband. Word, for better, for worse.
I now pronounce you man and wife.
다른 남자와 재혼을 하게 되었고,
Mama B?
그렇게 재혼한 며느리 로나와 손자 지미는 재혼한 남자의 집에서 살기 위해 지금 집을 떠나게 되었고,
Do you like it? Do you like it?
그렇게 그들을 떠나보낸 조지와 마가렛은 조용해진 집으로 돌아가게 되었죠.
He isn't far.
He isn't here.
다음날 손자 지미를 마트에서 발견하게 되었는데, 그런데 충격적인 장면을 목격하고 맙니다. 바로 가정폭력의 현장이었고, 다음날 음식을 만들어 손자 지미가 살고 있는 집을 찾아가게 되었는데,
Lorna.
You're the girl's mother?
No, Lorna was married to my son.
Gone to his family. Took off last night.
그런데 얼마 안 가 다시 이사를 갔다 했고, 결국 마가렛은 폭력에 노출되어 있는 로나와 지미를 데려오기 위해 짐을 싸기 시작했죠. 이날 오후 집에 도착한 조지가 이 모습을 보게 되었는데,
Headed any place in particular?
I'm going to get Jimmy. Bring him home to live with us.
그런데 어딘가 서운한 조지.
Share this with me.
Sharing it now.
Hand him over to you. That what you see happening? Margaret, Jimmy's her boy.
Your grandson, George Blackledge.
And your plan for...
He's from somewhere in North Dakota. I'll find him.
And you're going with me or...
That's your choice.
선택하라 했지만 이미 짐은 싸져 있었고,
You're not coming.
I'm turning off the water pipes.
안 가는 줄 알았지만 아내 말을 따르기로 한 조지. 남편의 눈치를 보며 기분을 걱정하지만 그래도 언제나 든든한 남편입니다. 먼 길을 떠나기 전 아들에게 인사를 하는 조지. 그렇게 오랜만에 여행을 떠나는 기분도 내며 다시 출발하기 시작했고,
So I do get a piece.
드디어 근처 마을에 도착하게 되었는데,
Sheriff Hayden's been out of office, so
He helped me track down a couple of men I was looking for back in.
I remember that. That was you? Well, how can I help?
We're trying to locate a Donnie Weeboy. We just want to know where they are, make sure.
Let me call around some.
친분을 이용해 보안관에게 부탁했고,
Got a half pint behind there.
다시 차로 돌아가는 길 위스키 한 병을 사고 차 안에 넣어두려던 이때 무언가를 발견한 조지.
Margaret! What the hell, Margaret?
다름 아닌 마가렛이 몰래 챙긴 총이었죠.
You thought you'd need it?
I didn't want to find out I did and not have it.
Branch of the Weeboy clan over in Forsyth. Townsfolk? Trailhead Saddlery there is a Weeboy operation.
그렇게 보안관에게 정보를 얻은 부부는 포사이스 마을로 향했고 보안관이 알려준 마구상을 찾아갔는데
Now, would you be a wee boy?
No, ma'am. I'm a cousin too. I'm a tuck.
Donnie wee boy's married to our daughter-in-law.
그런데 이 남자는
Let's look in on Lorna and Donnie while we're here. So here we are.
I don't know no Donnie or Laura. Sure you don't want Gladstone,
Gladstone?
North Dakota? Just the other side of the line. I got a wee boy or two.
Well,
사촌이었고 그가 알려준 곳으로 다시 향하는데 중간에 잠시 쉬어가기로 한 부부.
you're with me on this, right?
Who's been doing the driving?
You could say you want him back. I haven't heard that yet.
We're not young, Margaret.
조지는 자신들이 손자를 키울 수 있을지 걱정이었죠.
You can drive me into town, then drop me off. Turn around and take yourself back home. Take a bus back to Dalton with Jimmy.
What's Lorna's handed to you?
그렇게 걱정하며 다시 자동차로 돌아가던 이때
No. You just hold.
I was just wondering who's setting up camp out here, that's all.
Who are you?
Peter Dragswolf, sir.
I'm Margaret Blackledge, Mr. Dragswell. I apologize if we're trespassing.
드렉스 울프라는 인디언을 만나게 되었고
What about you? How long you been out here? You're familiar with the area, though.
We're looking for our grandson.
He's with a man named Donnie Weeboy. You ever heard of him?
No. Oh, but if you're looking in Gladstone, look for Bill Weeboy.
You think he'd help us?
Maybe.
다음 날 그의 도움을 받아 빌 위보이를 찾아가게 되었는데
If you're a wee boy, we're family, after a fashion. Our former daughter-in-law married a Donnie wee boy. He's stepdad to our grandson now.
왠지 기분 나쁜 이 남자.
Pay a visit, see our grandson Jimmy, since we're in the neighborhood.
And since you didn't find him up at Forsyth.
You heard we were coming, did you?
I did.
Are they here or not?
My husband likes to get down to business.
Hell of a lot of men are like that. Can't wait to get with you. In my experience, would as soon take their time, enjoy the rides. Why don't we head on inside and give the old homestead a call?
심기를 건드리는 말투를 가진 남자지만 일단 따르기로 하는 조지. 하지만 기분은 좋지 않았죠.
You don't want this man's help.
You two have plans for supper? How'd you like to be guests of the Weeboy clan out at the ranch?
Well, you'd have to give us...
You make your way back here at 4 o'clock, and you...
그렇게 이날 오후 다시 만난 이들.
One of you should ride with me, and the other follow.
그런데 한 명은 자신의 차에 타라는 남자.
Where do you think you're going?
You think he wants you in the passenger seat?
어쩔 수 없이 일단 그의 말을 따르는데
Margaret, get back in.
Follow close.
영 불안한 조지.
We turn here.
You signal so George knows what's coming.
그렇게 몇 시간을 달려 드디어 그들이 살고 있는 집에 도착하게 되었고
We're here.
그런데 영 심상찮은 분위기를 가진 이들.
You're the grandma. I am. And you're the lawman.
Retired man, George Blackledge.
자리 배치가 좀 이상하지만 일단 앉게 되었고
Why don't you call the boys for supper?
기분이 좋지 않은 조지가 손자를 찾는데
We came to see our grandson.
You mean you didn't come here to eat my pork chops? Come on, everybody, sit down.
손자를 보려면 일단 참아야 했죠.
You took Jimmy along to pick up the boy's mother.
She's working at Monkey Ward.
분위기를 전환해보려는 마가렛.
To meet Donnie's family someday?
Oh, had you? Would have been nice if it had been at the wedding, but maybe it was too much to ask for his mother to be...
You weren't invited.
You recollect seeing us there?
Frankly, we thought only that Donnie was a grown...
Whoa.
신경전만 벌이던 이때 드디어 로나와 지미가 집에 들어왔습니다.
Hi, George.
손자는 기가 잔뜩 죽은 모습이었고
Believe in early to bed in this house.
그러던 이때 지미를 놓지 않는 할머니. 묘한 신경전이 벌어지고 결국 손자를 내려놓는 할머니.
Off you go! Up the stairs!
그리고 일단 물러납니다.
We thank you, but we'll be on our way.
Hold up there. You're running off like this. You hurt Blanche's feelings.
Her feeling!
Go back inside, Mr. Weeboy.
결국 손자를 데려가지 못하게 된 이들. 다음날 백화점에서 일한다는 로나를 만나러 가는 부부.
Full shirt like this.
Who watches Jimmy while you're here?
Maybe you think I just tie him to a tree until I get home.
말하는 게 영 마음에 안 들지만 지미를 데려가기 위해 대화를 시도해보는 부부.
Kind of a last minute decision.
That Donnie's decision.
You met Blanche?
We found you. That's what's important.
그리곤 그녀를 설득해보는데
Let Jimmy come back with us.
You want me to give Jimmy to you?
Donnie, hit Jimmy.
You come and stay with us.
계속된 설득에 마음을 털어놓습니다.
Really? I don't want Jimmy to grow up like that.
Honey, we can get Jimmy, pack you up, take you.
No, no. I'll meet you.
로나도 떠나고 싶어 했고
We're out of the moon wink.
I should be there by 2.
드디어 약속까지 잡은 이들.
Lorna, wait. I know we haven't always seen you.
I don't think we've ever seen eye to eye. Just saying that to make sure that I go with you.
I should have been. Much more to you.
서로 마음을 열고 다가간 마가렛과 로나는 진심 어린 포옹을 했죠. 그렇게 조지와 마가렛은 식당을 찾게 되었는데 무언가를 묻는 조지.
Answer something for me.
Okay.
That horse of yours, Strawberry. We had to put her down. You whispered to her, do you remember?
Yeah.
What was it you told her?
I reminded her of things. How she liked to gallop through the first snow every... I reminded her of this one time. I wanted to send her on her way with happy memories.
마가렛은 떠나는 이에게 좋은 추억만 주고 싶다고 했죠. 그렇게 모텔로 돌아가 로나를 기다리지만 약속 시간 이미 지났죠.
She did seem quick to come around.
Please.
그러던 이때 누군가 노크를 해 문을 열어보는데 이들은 다름 아닌 위보이 가족이었고
No, you get the hell out now.
Shame on you. Shame on both. Try to talk me out of my...
It's not what
It's no
happened.
wonder Lorna don't want to go with you. Big bullhen.
이들을 위협했죠.
He hit the boy.
Grandma, you gonna tell me you didn't paddle your own, huh? Not ever.
He hit Lorna too.
그야말로 말이 안 통하는 막무가내 가족이었습니다.
You hit your wife?
Was it like that?
It was harder.
Harder.
게다가 말도 안 되는 폭력까지.
Like that?
Think you're gonna have to show us how you done it.
망나니 짓은 다 하려던 이때
Maybe you want to try talking this over again now? So you can get an early start back home tomorrow.
Maybe you'd like to send him home. You stay on here for a spell.
몹쓸 짓까지 생각하고 있던 이들에게 총을 꺼내는 조지. 하지만 총은 빼앗기게 되었고 손가락까지 잃게 생겼습니다.
Make sure he can't pull a gun on us again. No! No! Come on, Donnie. Come on.
조지는 결국 손가락을 잃게 되었습니다.
Oh, he won't be shooting for a while.
Maybe you understand my family now.
마가렛은 급하게 병원으로 향하게 되었고
He's gonna need morphine.
긴급 수술을 받고 병원에 입원해 있는 조지에게 보안관이 찾아왔는데
Their account is that it's Mr. Blackledge here pulled a gun.
Persuading you to set your weapon down.
Is that you two won't be causing any more trouble around.
The wee boys won't be pressing any charge. But, you know, if I were giving out
You could
advice,
save that.
he's a wee boy now.
그렇게 조지를 데리고 집으로 돌아가는 길 갑자기 다른 곳으로 향하게 되는데 다름 아닌 드렉스 울프를 찾아간 것이고 누워있는 조지에게 마가렛이 조심스럽게 얘기해 봅니다.
Who's here?
What if we stayed? We could build onto this place.
Indian boy and a lost horse. Drive into town every now and again, try and catch a peek at Jimmy. When are you gonna stop torturing yourself?
손자를 포기하지 못하는 마가렛.
I couldn't save him. We lost them both.
그리고 다음 날 새벽.
Even as fast as you are,
You're gonna show me a quicker way.
I'm gonna.
조지 혼자 위보이 집에 찾아가게 되었고 무슨 일을 꾸미려는 듯 보였습니다. 조심스럽게 집 안으로 들어간 조지. 그리곤 로나를 깨웠죠.
You have to decide. Go or stay. You know what life will be. This isn't something you need to think on.
I'll go.
You know the car? It's at the bottom of the drive. Head straight to the sheriff's office in Bent Rock. Ask for Nevelson.
Benrock.
그렇게 로나가 지미를 데리고 방 밖으로 나가게 되었는데 창고에 붙은 불 때문에 모두 일어나게 되었는데
The house is on fire. We smell smoke.
Hold on. Hold on.
No!
결국 모두에게 걸려버리게 되었고
Bill, what's going on?
위기의 순간
Bill, out of the way. I got it.
Lance, don't shoot!
명중 실패로 아들이 죽었고
Give the boy to me, old man.
손자를 넘겨주고 총에 맞아버린 조지.
Get Lorna. She's got the boy.
결국 이판사판 몸싸움이 일어나고 때마침 도착한 드렉스 울프와 마가렛.
Are you all right? Stay with them. No, no, stay, stay.
조지를 찾기 위해 집 안으로 들어간 그녀.
George.
그를 부축해 데리고 내려가는데
Come on. You can lean on me.
Margaret! George!
그런데 이때 조지가 또 총에 맞고
Oh, you go there.
다행히 이들을 모두 처치했지만
George. George.
We have to go now!
결국 숨을 거둔 남편에게 좋은 추억을 가져가라며 속삭이는 마가렛.
I love you.
결국 위보의 집안은 흔적도 없이 무너지게 되었고 비록 남편을 잃게 되었지만 로나와 손자 지미를 데려가게 되며 영화는 마무리됩니다. 이 영화는 2020년에 개봉한 렛 힘 고였습니다. 감사합니다.